5 common mistakes to avoid when installing solar in Kenya. Solar power is transforming Kenya. With rising energy costs and a push for energy independence, more Kenyans are turning to solar for affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly energy. But installing solar isn't just about putting panels on your roof. Avoid these 5 common mistakes to ensure your solar investment shines bright. First, don't guess your system size. Undersizing leaves you short on power, while oversizing wastes money. Your energy needs and Kenya's solar irradiance levels must guide your system design. For a tailored solution, consult the experts at powerafricasolar.com to get it right the first time. Mistake number 2. Ignoring your roof's condition. A poorly oriented roof, shading from trees, or weak structure can cripple your solar output. Before installation, get a professional roof assessment to ensure your setup maximizes sunlight and stays secure. Number 3. Don't skimp on quality. Cheap panels and inverters may seem like a deal, but they lead to poor performance and early breakdowns. Invest in genuine, high-quality components from trusted suppliers like powerafricasolar.com for a system that lasts. Mistake 4. Cutting corners on installation. Improper wiring or mounting can cause safety hazards, system failures, or reduced efficiency. Hire qualified installers from powerafricasolar.com to ensure your system is safe, secure, and built to perform. Finally, don't forget maintenance. Regular checks and monitoring through data analysis keep your system running at its best. Set up a maintenance plan to catch issues early and protect your investment. Avoiding these 5 mistakes, inadequate sizing, ignoring roof conditions, low-quality components, poor installation, and neglecting maintenance, ensures your solar system delivers reliable, cost-effective power for years. Visit powerafricasolar.com for professional guidance and quality products. Invest smart and let solar power your future.